Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A lot of the time when apps are stuck waiting or not downloading on your iPhone, there's an issue with your Apple ID. Usually, signing out and back into the App Store will fix the problem. Open Settings and scroll down to iTunes and App Store. Then, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen and tap Sign Out.
Take our lead.
The first thing you need to do is make sure the Apple ID for App Store is right or not. Go to Settings, greater than tap iTunes and App Store. Greater than tap the Apple ID, greater than tap Sign Out. In the pop-up, greater than tap the Apple ID again and sign in with your Apple ID. Now, run App Store to download apps to check the problem is solved or not.
Let's help you make your mark.
Check for any new Android updates. Another way to solve the problem of an Android app not working is to update your system. You may need to go through System to Advanced to System Update, or instead, look for the About Phone section and from there select Software Update.
Let's help you make your mark.
To download an app using iOS EMUs, launch the app from your device. Proceed to the Apps section on the lower part of your phone screen. Scroll down to search for the app that you are looking for. Finally, tap the check icon to get the application. Tap Get, tap Open, greater than Install, when it finishes installation.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.